That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, our Suzuki S83 or VS1400 in proper money. Intruder 4 controls. Okay, these are the Magnum jobs. Beautiful quality. Made in Italy. Okay, as you can see, all CNC. Come complete with all your brake actuator connects to your old stuff. And obviously your shifter, that goes all the way back. So basically, he's really shove your feet forwards, and as you can see, beautifully made. The CNC type of billet. Okay, billet spacers ready to go on. This bolts through your frame. This goes underneath onto the lower end. Okay, you've also got two spacers which will go into the end plugs, if you like, for your original foot pegs. Okay, so you got some nice billet things that go in there. But as you can see, beautiful rose joints on it. And very, very well made. Okay. Sold a lot of these mini bikes, VS14s, obviously Suzuki M8s, you know, pretty well everything except the VTX 18, I think. But made in Italy, like I say, not the usual crap that you get off one of those foreign selling sites, which we've all been there and know never to do it again, but we still go back, don't we? Some of you. But buy right ones. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.